Hello guys. Ever thought how you could take a screenshot of your PC? No need to worry, you have come to the right place. First we will see how you can take a screenshot just by using your keyboard. Here are some keyboard shortcuts you can use for taking screenshots. On your keyboard, you will see a print screen button. On the other hand, if you have a laptop, you will have a FN key to hold with print screen for screenshot. After you press print screen, it will take a screenshot of the whole desktop and save it on your clipboard. You can then paste it on apps like Paint, PowerPoint. If you want to take a screenshot of only a window, you will have to use Alt key with print screen. This will take a screenshot of current window, and same as before, you can paste in on Paint. But for example, you want to take multiple screenshots, but by default on your clipboard, you will only have one screenshot. Let's have a look at this. First, I will take screenshot of left window. Now the second one. You can see, only the last screenshot has been pasted on the page. Now if you want to check all of your screenshot, just use shortcut, Windows key with V. It will open up the clipboard. Now you can select which one you want to use. What if you want to take a screenshot of only a region or a portion of your screen? For that we need the snipping tool. Hold Window, Shift and S to launch the snipping tool. Here you can select custom region for capturing your screen. Now you can open the file by clicking here. You can do editing here. You can also open snipping tool by going on your taskbar, and type snipping tool. Similarly, another way to take a screenshot is by using Microsoft PowerPoint. After opening the app, just go to Insert and look for Screenshot. You can either use your screenshot that you have on your PC, or you can take one right away by clicking Screen Clipping. The last on our list is Sharex, that you will have to download from its website. After your download is complete, open the app. The interface will look like this one. It has many features and tools. Let's test them out. In Tools menu, you will see something called OCR. It basically turns an image or an PDF into text. As you can see, all of the text from an image has been transformed into text. One of its features is that it lets you highlight your shots. You can even pixelate your picture. Or you can add emojis. There is much more besides this that you can check from the Tools menu. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more.